Hello everybody. In today's video, I, Viola Garduque, together with my groupmates, Miss Jeramy Angeles and Miss Ruth Gomez, will be discussing University's Academic Freedom, a Case Digest. And for this case, the following are the immediate facts. The University of San Agustin versus the Court of Appeals and Nursing Students. GR number 10588. Dated March 7, 1994, and the ponente for this case is Nokon J. Later on in the following slides, the University of San Agustin will be represented by the acronym USA. Appellant versus Respondent's Prayer. The appellant for this case are the University of San Agustin Incorporated together with Sisters Concepcion Cahilig, Nenalyn Abioda, Mary Espino, Rodora Azucena, Maria Dulce Socorro Poza, and Cosette Monteblanco. Their prayer is the reinstatement of the order of the Regional Trial Court of Iloilo dated September 15, 1989. The order of the Regional Trial Court of Iloilo, which was dated September 15, 1989, includes the following. First, that the court has jurisdiction over the case, and that proper docket fees shall be paid by the respondents when required by the court. A mandamus was also given, which states that the University of San Agustin cannot be compelled or obliged to enroll the petitioning students who did not meet the academic standards. The refusal of the said university falls within its right under the Academic Freedom Clause of the Philippine Constitution. The respondent and the respondent's prayers. The respondents of this case are the Court of Appeals and the nursing students from the University of San Agustin with their guardians, which are as follows: Antonio H. Lara, Eduardo Magante, Jose Sancho, Reynaldo F. So, and Winifreda C. Valenzuela as the parents and guardians of the students Antonio Marco Ho, Maria Eleni Magante, Roy D. Sancho, Michael Kinso, and Bernardina Cainoy. Their prayer is as follows: that they shall be readmitted to the university, and they're also praying for actual and moral damages amounting to 50,000 for each of the respondents. Facts of the case. The following students named Antonio Marco Ho, Maria Eleni Magante, Roy D. Sancho, Michael Kinso, and Bernardina Cainoy are all third-year nursing students at the University of San Agustin, which were refused readmission during the summer of 1989 and the last two semesters of the school years 1989 to 1990. Upon admission to the University of San Agustin, the students, together with their parents, signed an agreement for admission, where they agreed to maintain a very good academic performance. On their second year, they once again signed this agreement. And on this agreement, it was also stated that at any time after the first semester, they may be removed from the program if they get grades below 80 on two minor subjects or any nursing subjects. They also agreed that when the student fails to meet this standard, which was set by the university or the College of Nursing, the college can disqualify the students from the BSN course, and that this does not hold the college liable for damages. However, the students did not meet the academic requirements. And on September 15 of 1989, The case was dismissed. The initial case filed by the students to the trial court was dismissed on the grounds that the University of San Agustin has the right to refuse readmission because of the academic deficiencies of the said students, which falls within the right of the university to academic freedom. However, on April 23, 1991, the Court of Appeals disagreed with the initial ruling of the trial court and orders that it be reversed, ordering the readmission of the students as fourth-year students. The Court of Appeals emphasized that though the students did not meet the 80% grade, however, with grades of 77% and 78%, these grades are still considered as passing, since 75% is the passing grade. Therefore, the respondents have no academic deficiency, according to the Court of Appeals.
Prior to the decision of the COA or the Court of Appeals, the students already filed a motion for the dismissal of the appeal, asserting that the appeal has become moot and academic because these nursing students have already enrolled in and graduated from the Lanting College of Nursing, Tandang Sora, Quezon City, last October 10, 1990. But the COA denied the filed motion and reasoned out that the appeal has been decided and the importance of the issues involved. So upon the decision of the COA to readmit these students, the University of San Agustin filed a petition in the Supreme Court for the dismissal of the case. They said, or the USA petitioned, that the Court of Appeal should dismiss the case because these nursing students already enrolled in and have graduated from the Lanting College of Nursing. So on March 7, 1994, the petition filed by the University of San Agustin has been granted. The decision also of the Court of Appeals, dated April 23, 1991, and its resolutions dated April 25, 1991, and June 10, 1991, are also set aside. The order of the Regional Trial Court of Iloilo City, dated September 15, 1989, is reinstated. So this is the decision of the Supreme Court in the said case.
And here is the issue: whether to readmit the students respondents in the University of San Agustin who failed to meet the academic standard of the nursing department as seen in their transcript. And the decision, September 15, 1989, the Regional Trial Court of Iloilo dismissed the petitions of the student respondents. The decision of Court of Appeals dated April 23, 1992, and its resolutions dated April 25, 1991, and June 10, 1991 are set aside. The order of the RTC of Iloilo City, dated September 15, 1989, was reinstated. The rule of law. Tangonan v. Pano 137, SCRA 245, Supreme Court held that a school may refuse to enroll a student for academic delinquencies. Article 14, Section 5.2 of 1987 Constitution is that academic freedom shall be enjoyed in all institutions of higher learning. Section 13.2 of BPBLG 232 provides, Section 13 Rights of Schools. In addition to their rights provided for by law, schools shall enjoy the following: the right of institutions of higher learning to determine on academic grounds who shall be admitted to study, who may teach, and what shall be the subjects of the study and research. and integration of faith, values, and learning. According to Romans 13:1, let every person be subject to the governing authorities, for there is no authority except from God, and those that exist have been instituted by God. Thank you, and God bless.